Hi, my name is Simeon Chutilal from Trinidad and Tobago. I am here to represent Maximum Technologies. It is a computer-based business, mainly online. We do offer remote desktop support, and most of you all probably know me doing the Forex videos and cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. But before all that started, I was and still is involved into the IT industry. That is correct. Technology on the whole. I am qualified and certified as an IT technician. Alright, so we are offering a lot of technical support and services at Maximum Technologies, which will include computer sales and services. We have upgrades, software, hardware, remote desktop support that includes checking off software on the computers, antivirus, junk removal of files, basically software we will be providing, PC games, you name it. We try to cover the entire scope with technology there. So if you need a system for work, a computer for home, for school, you can feel free to contact us in the description there. I am going to show you some short videos of what it is we do exactly. Just a quick glimpse of one of my main workstations here, guys. Right, so here we have a really advanced system here. Thermal take, nice full plexi case here, 6-core processor, 24 gigs memory, and a 1060 GTX card here. So this is one of my main stations here that I basically will be using to do the remote assistance. As you can see, these machines are highly advanced, and this is one of my personal build that I will be using to do that sort of work. Right, so inside this basic tower here is a custom built machine that we just simply assembled just for this demonstration purpose. A basic machine with 12 gigs of RAM, basic graphics card, dual core processor, nice, fair enough, good motherboard, and a nice space there, this power supply unit, and also a nice SSD hard drive. Alright, so guys, if you're looking to get a custom built machine, all of our machines will come with basically 6 to 1 year warranty. Alright, and what I want to show you here, what it will look like when completed, obviously will be like these complete towers here, right? For everything nice, customized to your liking, right? Depending on what you really want to use it for. What I really want to show you guys is this neat device on my left hand side here. This is for persons, like your desktop is non-responsive, it's dead, it crashed, you have, no power coming into your laptop, and you would like to retrieve your data. So this particular device here retrieves data, right? We do data recovery as well, so a very neat device here we have here for data retrieval. So I just want to go quickly into the software aspects of things just to show you how we will be doing our remote assistant installation. Right, so we just want to get straight into the software aspects of things and show you exactly what we do here at Maximum Technologies. Remember, we are enforcing a lot of the remote desktop assistance, right? Because of the COVID restrictions, we are trying to do basically less site visits and more remote installations. We do have that on-site visit still available, guys, but once the system is working and it's booting and stuff like that, it's working slow, you need a virus to remove, updates in the software, installation of programs, games, you name it. We can do that service remotely, right? So I'm just going to show you quickly a quick demonstration of what it looks like. So we just close this off here. All right. All right. So let me just close this off very quickly. Right.
So all of our main stuff, well, this is just a few, is stored virtually on a virtual cloud drive, right? So if we do require, like you need Office install, we have a lot of different software available to that will be uploading here into our cloud. We could access it from your machine and have it installed, right? So I just want to go straight into the client's machine here. So here we have one of the remote software that we use to access customer machines. You know, it's totally secured, full SSL, secured layer, and you know, occasionally you will get new passwords for your machine, right? So here we go. We are on a machine here. Firstly, what we do is analyze what we are really dealing with first to begin with, right? And we do have a very powerful application here that helps assist us in that area. Firstly, what we find out is the motherboard model number, and we do a search, see what hardware components is supported by this board, when it was released. All these things are very important because in the future, if you want to upgrade your hard drive, your memory, your physical RAM, you know, you want to add components to the motherboard itself. This is the first thing we do to help assist us in that area. And secondly, what we do is basically we need to know what software you have already installed on your machine, and this helps assist us in that area too. So in terms of the cleaning of the machine, right? We have here Windows Optimizer, very powerful utility application. This particular program helps us identify, you know, cache memory files, junk memory, and in general, this helps, you know, take off unnecessary files from your machine. This is just a demonstration, guys, because this machine, I set it up for this purpose to really assist us in this area and show you exactly what the remote assistance software service is all about. So here we have the Microsoft Windows 10 installed on this machine. It comes with the full Office suite. As you can see, it was recently installed. We do have that available if you need a custom built machine and you need a machine for like school, you know, for home use and things like that. We do custom build machines. So what this software does, it runs a general scan on your machine and it tells you what you don't need and what you really is unnecessary on the machine here. But this was a recent build here, so it do have much unnecessary files, but it do have a little bit here. So we can just select optimize, and what this does, it cleans the software side of the machine. As you can see, your PC is fully optimized. So this is just one of the many stuff we do when we do our remote assistance. We basically clean up the machine. If you require the Microsoft Office to be installed, you could get that installed. We have a full variety of services available. All right. So that is what we do in Maximum Technologies. Remember, apart from the remote assistance, we also provide programs, you know, whether it be components, hardware components, you could get that too. You could get custom built machines. We are just a phone call away, guys. I am going to leave our contact information there in the description. Also, a link to our WhatsApp group. And you could reach out to me in the WhatsApp group there. This is Simeon from Trinidad and Tobago. I look forward to interacting with you.